Would you like to attract more people to your network marketing opportunity who are already interested in what you have to offer without having to prospect a single person? Well, my guess is that you do want this, and that's why you're watching this video. What would adding 3 to 7 new customers every single week do for your business? Well, hang tight because in this video, I'll share exactly how to do this. Hey, my name is Jen, and I help network marketing leaders just like you help their teams build authentically and successfully online. I want to teach you how to attract your ideal prospect. That way, you don't have to chase friends and family or bug random strangers and try to get them to buy your network marketing product or service. If you want to learn more about attraction marketing, please click the link below in the description or in the comments for the free 5-day digital bootcamp that I used to learn these concepts. And if I could make a recommendation, I would also encourage you to get the $27 book that will be offered. These two items transformed me as a leader and they transformed my business. Now let's dig into this attraction marketing concept a bit deeper. Step number 1 is to determine what problem you solve for people. If you sell weight loss products, you help people lose weight, but is that really the problem that you solve? For some, it's about fitting into their clothes better. For others, they want to lose weight and get off of certain medications to just get healthier. And others might want to lose weight for a specific event, maybe a wedding, a vacation, a high school reunion, or some other special event. If you sell financial services, on the other hand, you don't just sell investments, you sell peace of mind. When people have their retirement secure, they feel secure and confident about the future. Financial struggles are stressful, and relieving that stress solves a problem for people. Now that you know the problem that you solve for people, we want to look at step number 2, which is know who has that problem. This is what's called your target market. Who is the person that suffers from this problem? What are their fears around the problem, their dreams? For most network marketers, this is the biggest challenge, determining their target market. And why is it so challenging? Well, most people want to attract anyone and everyone to their network marketing opportunity. They're afraid to sift and sort out people who don't really want what they have to offer. Have you ever felt that way? Have you been afraid to narrow your focus or teach your team to narrow? Well, if so, I completely understand. And I felt that way when I first learned about the concept. But let's look at a couple of examples and understand the power of being more narrow. There are a number of businesses that you already know that have very specific target markets. A dry cleaning company, for example, is only looking for people who own items that need to be dry cleaned. If you own nothing that needs to be dry cleaned, you'll never go to a dry cleaner. Another example is Taco Bell. Now, I know most of you are in health network marketing companies and are appalled that I'm using a fast food restaurant as an example, but it helps drive home the target market concept. If you don't like tacos, burritos, quesadillas, nachos, or the like, you're probably not going to go to Taco Bell. If you don't eat fast food, you won't go either. People sort out for themselves and they don't even go to these places. When you're clear on your target market, you deliver a message that attracts the people to you who already want what you have to offer. For example, that fictional weight loss product I was talking about before. If you market a weight loss product to people who are looking to fit into their clothing that's a size or two less than where they are right now, you'll post content on your social media platforms about how to do that. Maybe drink more water, move more, make healthier food choices, use your product, etc. You'll show testimonials of people's before and afters of fitting into clothes they haven't worn for years. The people who want to lose weight and fit into smaller clothes will be drawn to your content and to you. They'll feel like they found the right person to follow who are going to help them solve a problem they have. They'll want to buy your product or service because you solved the problem. Now, don't get me wrong. You don't want to only talk about your product or service on social media. You have to develop yourself as a resource. That's key here because people buy from people that they know, like, and trust. When you post content that adds value and helps people, they want to learn more from you. And that leads me to step number 3, which is to use video to build the know, like, and trust factor the fastest. On video, people can hear your voice, they watch your mannerisms, and they get to know you better. Any type of live video helps people connect to you faster. If you can get comfortable in front of the camera and do video on a consistent basis that you either upload onto your social media or you create on your social media, you'll grow an audience quicker. Remember a couple of keys though to doing video. Have good lighting, good sound, and just be you. Be authentic, be real, and people will connect to you. When you know what problem you solve and who has that problem, and you use video to better connect your message, information, and knowledge to your audience, you'll hit a home run. Attracting new people to you in this way will increase the number of prospects you convert to customers. So I hope you found this information valuable, but if you want to learn more and dig in deeper, please click the link below in the description or in the comments to access the 5-day digital boot camp that I started with a year ago. And if I can make a recommendation, I would also highly encourage you to get the $27 book that will be offered. The boot camp and the book transformed me as a leader, and they transformed my business. I truly appreciate you, and I hope that you make today outstanding.